What's going on, guys? I'm opening a 1990 Flair baseball and a 1990 Flair, another baseball Premier Edition. They're wax packs, and another 1989, two 1989 baseball packs. We're gonna be opening these first. So let the wizard open them and let's see what we can pull. We gotta pull the OGs, guys. These do like to stick on each other. Let's oh, so look at the gummy. Oh, moldy gum. That garbage. You just want it. Let's go. We got a Dan Quisberry. No, we got a Kelly Dawns from the Giants. We got a White Sox, Ken Williams. We got an Indian. Oh, we got another one. Indians, Luis Medina. Some of these are like retired. Most of these guys are retired. Julio Franco. Red Sox, Bruce Hurst. Devin White. Mets, Bob Ojeda. This is not pretty bad. They're not sticking. Tigers, Tom Brookins. Royals, Israel Sanchez. Cardinals, Larry McWilliams. Cardinals, Willie McGee. Giants, Jose Uribe. How would we say it? Tigers, Jim Wall Wonder. Cardinals, Ken Daly. And then we got the Orioles, Make Morgan. Let's go. Next pack is coming up, guys. This is the S pack. I don't need this. Next pack, guys. Next pack. Still got gum, but those are going in the garbage. So you got the moldy gum sticker up there. Blue Jays, Fred McGriff. Orioles, Pete Stanisek. Pirates, Mike Laveller. Red Sox, D. White Evans, retired. Athletics, Gene Nelson. Orioles, Jose Bautista. Blue Jays, Dave Stibb. Padres, Craig Harris. Cardinals, Chris Carpenter. Tigers, Matt Noakes. Dodgers, Oral Hershiser. Horsheiser. My All-Star. Cubbies, Mike Capel. Mariners, Elvin Davis. Yankees, Dale Mahorsic. And then Phillies, Greg Harris. These many cards are pricey cards, but you know what? They're worth the hits. They are worth the hits. A team's card, Phillies team's card. Pale Borders. This is the Fleer set. Bro Clemente in here. R.J. Reynolds for the Pirates. Dan Gladden. Sandy Alomar Jr. Dave Winfield. Glenn Wilson. Devin White. Fred McGriff. And then a duo, Oakland and the Phillies. Rick Dempsey. Andres Collegara. Scott Cuba, yep, Scott Cuba. That was the one I missed from you guys. Andres Galarraga. Royals, Danny Tortubal. We got a Mike Witt from Angels. And a Twins, John Moses. Not bad. Not bad. These are super old cards, guys. Super fucking old. Super near damn old. This one's even older. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no. Well, it's not moldy. It's not moldy. It's still good. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, that gum stuck on there. No good. No good. That was a Rafael Ramirez. He was like a rookie. Daryl Porter and a catcher. Mike Torres, Red Sox pitcher. Steve Stone, pitcher of the year from the Orioles. Renee Martin, pitcher for the Royals. Scott McGregor. Ed Farmer. Joe Strain. Ed Farmer. Joe Charbonneau. Rich Dower, second base. Richard Warham, pitcher. A Tony Armas. Tony's Arms. Eddie Solomon. John Loneston. Brian Kingsman, pitcher. Not bad, guys. Rudy Law, outfield, Dodgers. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. What you guys think? What you guys think of the pools? What you guys think? What you guys think? There's some rookies in here. There are some rookies in here. Go and like and subscribe to his YouTube channel, and go and follow my whatnot. It's only the Wizard Breaks. I was getting there tonight around 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. We guys get there and make it, and let's go. Let's keep it moving. All right, guys. See you till then.